Let's start by prepping the skin. I'm gonna drop a little. So this is my first time of using this moisturizer. It's a bit sticky, so I'm not going to use any other primer. I'm just going to go ahead with the base makeup. I use this pot concealer all over my face. Let's see if, yeah, I'm going for something very lightweight, so I'll be using this pot concealer. I'm gonna go in stamping motion. It's a concealer, so it's fine to go under the eyes with it. Taking a sponge to get rid of the brush strokes. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Contour Stick. This is in shade Espresso. I'm going to contour with this. Let's do a little dot here. Okay. I'm going to blend it in stamping motion like that. Alright, let's do the nose contouring. Little cream black. Use a lighter shade of the same pot concealer. They kind of look similar, but they are not. This is the one we use for the base, and let's use this as the, I'm not sure if it's going to look any different from, let's place it here. Let's do this. I'm going to use a sponge to blend it like that. A sponge, blending it with a sponge. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild banana loose powder. A sponge to do this much. This in my hand. Face nicely. I'm going to use pressed powder to dust away. Quickly do the eyebrows and move on to the next. I'm going to use Essence Long Lasting Eyebrow Pencil. Start from the center of the brows. Fenty bronzer in shade Mocha Mummy. I take a little paint pot all over my eyelids. Taking this shade, I'm using Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. I'm going to blend this back and forth all over the lid as transition shade. Forget to take it to the under eyes as well. Followed by this shade. Place this at the high point of the outer V in stamping motion and slowly blend it to the upper crease. The initial brush and go back and forth at the edges, just to get it to look more smooth and blended. In the outer corner one more time, stamping motion, and gradually blend it in wiggle motion. At this point, I'm going back and forth between the two brush, the initial brush and the darker shade brush. I can use smaller brush, but I don't want to switch the brush. So I'm going back and forth at the lower lash line with the same darker shade. And then I'm going to go back and forth one more time, this time mainly focusing at the upper crease, and slowly take it to the inner corner, back and forth, and circular motion to the outer V. You take back the initial brush and go back and forth at the edges, just to get rid of any harsh lines and brush strokes. Take the darker shade and stamping motion at the outer corner and slowly blot it together, to get rid of the harsh line of the eyeshadow base. And do the same thing to the outer lash line. Take it to the lower lash. This shade with my finger. Place this at the half part of the outer V, taking it to the half part of the upper lid. In stamping, take the initial brush and go back and forth. Go with this shade, I blend it together. Yeah, it's not bad, it's working. Yeah, it's working, it looks good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hint up this side a little more. Taking it, or I'm gonna go over it and take it up a bit like that. So I'm gonna use Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner. No cutting, okay? I'm not cutting any. Like that. As you achieve it like this, just leave it alone. You go to the inner corner like that and slowly take it and link it. Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Let's do this. So you can use lashes, but I'm not going to. Take this shade to the inner corner, at the inner corner. I'm going to use Sephora High Shine Lipstick. I'm placing this at the center. Place this at the center. Like that. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle. Let's do a little lip liner. I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus. I forgot. I'm going to heat up the blush a little more. I'm taking this shade and a little of this. And go. And I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill Megawatt highlighter. Just a little. The fact that I no longer do highlighter, but I can't do without my nose highlighter. This is pretty much it. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. See you after.